Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a S3 bucket in AWS. Whether you are storing a files or hosting a static website or you want to create a data lake, S3 is the go-to solution. First, log in your AWS Management Console. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up at aws.amazon.com. Once you logged in, navigate to S3. Now we are in S3 dashboard. To create a new bucket, we have to click on this create bucket button. Here you need to fill out some few details. Let me walk you through each steps. General configurations. General configuration is all about AWS region, bucket type, bucket name. These are the general configurations. So I have chosen Asia specific as a AWS region because I am nearest one, and I have chosen general purpose as a bucket type because I want to store files and as a website, not low latency use cases. And bucket name, I have to give a bucket name, and the bucket name must be the unique name within the global namespace. And the rules of bucket name is that there is no uppercases and spaces should be there. So I'm typing Dhali code /s3. This would be the my bucket name. Object ownership, I am recommended ACL disable. So I'm setting default settings here, and block public access setting for this bucket. So what is meaning of this, that if you want to your bucket to available to all public, or if you want your bucket is private. If you want your bucket is private, then this is the default setting. If you want all publicly available your bucket, then you have to uncheck this button. And turning off all blocks publics might result in this bucket and object within the becoming public. So I have to acknowledge this. So I'm checking this checkbox. Bucket versioning, I want to be enable this bucket versioning. And default descriptions, description is there, okay. Bucket key is enable, okay. So let me create a new bucket. That's it. We have created a new bucket, Dali code S3 successfully. Now we have to add our files, objects as a key, so we can upload directly. We can use console there. So I am uploading directly from my local system. So I'm clicking on upload. This is the upload UI where you can add directly folders, remove objects, add files. So I'm adding the files. I have the file here. Okay, I'm selecting all 3 files. Okay, these are the files. Now I'm uploading. I'm clicking on upload button, and there's upload is succeed. So we have successfully uploaded our files here. Let me check. This is close. Now we have all 3 files. So one thing I need to show you something, index.html. So let me go through. Let me opening this. Okay, my HTML Dali code. Welcome to Dali code. This is the I'm accessing from directly from this. Let me check. Go through the object URL. I'm getting access denied error. So what is this says? This says you don't have permission to access on this object URL. So we have to give a permission to access globally. So let me go through Dali code and give the permission for all bucket. So for this we have to create a bucket policy. So I need to edit this bucket policy to give a permissions. So there are the lot of ways to permission. If you remember, you can type here bucket policy and move on. Or there is AWS providing you a policy generator. So I'm clicking on policy generator. I want to policy S3 bucket policy. This is the selecting policy type. I want everything in this to be accessed publicly. So I'm giving star button to all services. Actions, I want all actions to be there. So what is ARN? My Amazon resource action ARN would be this bucket ARN. So Dali go to ARN this. So I'm going there, typing. Let me select everything. All actions. I want all actions to be selected. So let me add a statement here. These will be my statements where I will generate a bucket policy. So this is the bucket policy where I'm allowing everything in S3 to all principal, to all users. So I'm copy pasting this to my policy bucket policy list. So okay, these are my bucket policy where I'm allowing action S3. Effect is allow everything on my S3 bucket. So I'm save changes. These are the changes. Now once again we are going to change index.html. Will this work, or directly I can check here? No, let me check here. Still I'm getting access denied. Why does am I getting access denied? Let me go check permissions. Yeah, I have everything permission there. Okay, one thing I have done a mistake. In resources I have to set everything, like in S3 I need to allow everything permissions, star button here, to access my all objects within the bucket. So let me check once again. Yeah, successfully. This is my HTML and this is my object in bucket code style.css, my resources code jpg. This is my code jpg. Let me give you the access what is look like. These are you can access this. Dali code s3 is my bucket name. This is my region name and this is my file name. You can see here. This is one of the easiest video I have created. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions and topics you like to me cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.